Here's how you can disable and remove Copilot in Windows 11. Press the Windows key, type Registry Editor, click the top result, and select Yes in the UAC prompt. Paste the path from the video's description in the address bar and hit Enter. Now, under Windows on the right, check whether there's a Windows Copilot key. If there isn't, right-click on the entry, select New, choose Key, and name it Windows Copilot. Go to the Windows Copilot key, then right-click on the empty part on the right, again select New, and this time choose DWORD, 32-bit value. Name it Turn Off Windows Copilot without any spaces. Once done, double-click the DWORD, enter 1 under the value data, and click OK to save the changes. Finally, restart the computer and Copilot should be disabled. Make sure not to make any other changes within the Registry Editor. Modifying the wrong entry can cause issues with system stability. To remove the Copilot app, press the Windows key, search for Copilot, right-click the app, and select Uninstall. When prompted, click Uninstall again to confirm. This will completely remove the Copilot app and its related data from your PC. If you ever want to bring it back, just open the Microsoft Store, search for Copilot, and install it again. That's all for now. If you learned something new, hit the like button, share this video with others, and subscribe to Tech in Moments so you never miss a quick, smart tech tip again.